Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make some shadow dovetails. Now when I was doing this one, I have to admit, I started off and I completely screwed the thing up. Wasn't paying enough attention and was trying to rush things. So that one went in the bin and this is how I completed it. So you'll see me starting with one set of materials and then part way through I'll swap over to these. I thought I might as well leave the mistake in there. We all make mistakes and it's just as well to acknowledge that. So anyway, I hope you enjoy shadow dovetails. We're doing this pins first and we'll start by marking the pins. Mark them in as if they're full pins to begin with. So right across the board. And then in the space between the pins is where we're going to mark in for where the shadow is going to be and where the true tail is going to be. So they're going to be half blind, so we'll need a reveal, and we'll also need the width that's going to be shadow on top. So that's the parallel lines there, that will be the shadow, and mark the shadow coming down the side of the tail as well. As you can see on this board, I was doing one true dovetail alongside the shadow dovetail. That gets corrected when I go over to the second demonstration piece. Now we prepare the socket to take the shadow, and the shadow will be a whole tail to begin with, which we'll cut away later. So you can see here that the shadow fills, or shadow material fills the whole of the socket, and here you've got the two together. Then it's just a case of marking for the tail that's going to be in the final tail board and cutting the sockets for that. Now with the completed shadowed sockets, I can then mark out for the final tail board tails and cut those. Notice how I've used the dovetail marking gauge to set my board so that I'm cutting the tails vertically. So they were my shadow dovetails. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe and leave a comment. See you next time. Cheerio.